multiply with whole numbers and fractions. Whole numbers can be turned into fractions by putting them over 1. So example 1. Evelina is working through muscle tension brought about from a recent sports injury. Evelina has spent 4 therapeutic massages that were 3/4 of an hour each. What is the total time that Evelina has spent getting therapeutic massages? So we're going to go ahead and multiply these two numbers together. So we have 4 times 3/4. Now we're going to make this into a fraction by putting it over 1, just like that. And now we can multiply. So we can go ahead and multiply, or we can reduce before we even begin to multiply. So as we see, we have a 4 and a 4 here. So let's just go ahead and divide by 4 on both the top and bottom here. So now we have 1 times 3 and 1 times 1. So 1 times 3, well, that's 3. 1 times 1, that's 1. So 3 over 1 is really just 3. And so we can say the total time that she's spending is, 3 hours. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 2, Andrew has to get 12 therapeutic massages. If he has done 1/3 of them already, how many has he completed? So we have 12 times 1/3. Now we're going to put this over 1 to make it a fraction. And we can go ahead and multiply. So we're just going to go ahead and just multiply straight across. So now 12 times 1, that's 12. 1 times 3, that's 3. Now 12 and 3 each have a common factor of 3. So 12, divided by 3, and 3 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we really just have 4. So he's completed 4.